Welcome to Pack Herbal Medicine YouTube channel. Today know about Ultra V Gel for women benefit and side effect. Ultra V Gel. What is Ultra V Gel? Let us describe the details of Ultra V Gel. The vaginal muscles expands after childbirth and it is the main reason of losing tightness. There are other reason also of losing tightness of vagina are hormonal changes or aging. The Ultra V Gel works on vagina walls and restore the tightness of vagina within few days use. Original Ultra V Gel is made with natural ingredients and contains no harmful chemicals. It is safe and 100% effective product. How Ultra V Gel works? Most females want tightness back in one night, which isn't possible with Ultra V Gel. There are some products available in the market which provide tightness within 1 to 2 days. But those products have side effects too. Dangerous chemical used in such products which are not good for sensitive parts of body. So we recommend you to use Ultra V Gel only, as it is 100% safe and effective. Regular use of Ultra V Gel restores the elasticity of vaginal tissues and restores the tightness. How to use Ultra V Gel? The original USA imported Ultra V Gel is simple and easy to use. To use Ultra V Gel, first wash your hands properly and use fresh towel. Then get small amount of Ultra V Gel on your palm or on your index fingertip. Apply Ultra V Gel to inner side of vagina and massage gently for 10 to 15 seconds. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes, so that Ultra V Gel absorbs. Then you can move your body, wash your hands again. Side effects of Ultra V Gel. This is a common question. Is there any side effects of Ultra V Gel? As it is a gel to use for sensitive parts, so this question is compulsory. But no need to worry about this Ultra V Gel, as it is made with 100% natural ingredients which are safe and effective. So use Ultra V Gel and get your confidence back. Product price below link. Thanks for watching Pack Herbal YouTube channel.